Hashed exam-based questions and answers on Azure Active Directory administrative roles. Multiple choice questions, MCQs. 1. What is the primary focus of Azure Active Directory administrative roles? A. Assigning individual permissions on storage accounts. B. Granting administrative level permissions for Azure AD features. C. Configuring enterprise networks. D. Managing user files and folders. Answer: B. Granting administrative level permissions for Azure AD features. 2. Which Azure AD role allows a user to manage app registrations and enterprise applications? A. Application Administrator. B. Global Reader. C. Help Desk Administrator. D. Password Administrator. Application Administrator. 3. What distinguishes the Global Reader role from the Global Administrator role in Azure AD? A. Global Reader can only read data but cannot make updates. B. Global Reader has the same permissions as Global Administrator. C. Global Reader can manage passwords for other users. D. Global Reader has no access to Azure AD features. A. Global Reader can only read data but cannot make updates. 4. How many built-in administrative roles are available in Azure Active Directory? A. Over 50. B. Over 70. C. Over 90. D. Over 100. Answer C. Over 90. 5. Which Azure AD role is best suited for managing user licenses? A. Global Administrator. B. License Administrator. C. Application Administrator. D. Global Reader. B. License Administrator. 6. What does the Help Desk Administrator role allow a user to do? A. Manage user passwords and troubleshoot user issues. B. Modify enterprise applications. C. Manage app registrations. D. Update Azure AD security settings. Answer A. Manage user passwords and troubleshoot user issues. 7. What is the default execution policy in Azure AD roles, such as Global Reader and Application Administrator? A. Restricted. B. Remote signed. C. User-defined permissions. D. Not applicable to Azure AD roles. Not applicable to Azure AD roles. 8. Which Azure AD role allows a user to manage security attribute keys and values but not modify them? A. Security Reader. B. Security Administrator. C. Application Administrator. D. Global Administrator. Answer A. Security Reader. 9. What is the scope of Azure Active Directory administrative roles? A. Low-level access to specific resources. B. High-level administrative tasks within Azure AD. C. Configuring virtual machines in Azure. D. Managing cloud storage solutions. B. High-level administrative tasks within Azure AD. 10. Which statement is true about the percentage of employees who typically need Azure AD administrative roles? A. A majority of employees require administrative roles. B. Only a small percentage of employees need administrative roles. C. Every user in the organization requires administrative roles. D. Administrative roles are only needed for external users. B. Only a small percentage of employees need administrative roles. These questions cover a range of key concepts from administrative role definitions, permissions, and usage scenarios to practical details about Azure AD role scope and management.